Welcome. I trust that your guidance has brought you here in divine timing. My name is Sarah, and today my intention to bring through healing is for connecting you to your spirit guidance. So without further ado, let's begin. You can close your eyes or keep them open. Take 3 deep breaths, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Just take a moment to settle into your body. Feel your sit bones on the chair, your feet on the ground, or if you're laying down, the contact with the surface beneath you. Just feeling into the gravity of your weight meeting the surface of the earth. Just become aware of the mental noise, the thoughts, and we're going to allow them to soften and dissipate. This is the to-do list, what I'm going to have for dinner. What have I got to do today? That nagging relative that keeps pestering you. Whatever it is, you're just letting those threads of thought dissipate and dissolve so that you can be present with your heart. You can go ahead and place your hand on your heart if you like. Feeling the beat within your chest. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine, and today, invoking the presence of divine, Archangel Michael. Clearing any thought patterns, any mental noise, any rumination out of your field. Just softening the mind, softening, turning down the volume. And bringing your focus to the heart. And just taking a moment to acknowledge all that you're holding here in your heart. Whether it's for yourself, whether it's for a family member, whether it's for the state of the world, just acknowledge all that you're holding here. Feel the weight of that. And you're just going to allow that to dissipate and dissolve. So working at the front of your heart and also the back of your heart. And your connection to the support from the universe. Your connection to support from your spirit. Now we're going to dissipate and dissolve and absolve any entanglements that you find in your heart. And if you find that you have images surface or feelings surface, this is good. Memories, just allow them to surface. Maybe they've been buried for some time. Take a deep breath. And we're going to ask Archangel Michael to bring in light to your heart, lightness, so that you experience a lightness of being. And just seeing this golden, beautiful energy saturating all the tissues and cells in your heart. You feel uplifted, empowered, inspired, motivated, engaged. And now, with that energy filling your heart, it's just a fine tuning and a calibration, a recalibration of the mind, of the body, of the spirit. Just a gentle oscillation through your being. Kind of ironing out all the wrinkles, all the distortions, all the twists, all the fragments in your being that have kept you out of alignment with your highest self. Gentle, gently does it, yeah? Nothing needs to be hammered, nothing needs to be violent, nothing needs to be aggressive. This is gentle energy, gentle. If you feel any kind of emotion that is surfacing, just remember to breathe. Remember to breathe. You've got this. You've got this. It's okay. You're safe. You're safe. Harmonic coherence. Now the whirlwind that is around you, this is the turbulence in your field. We're just bringing that into the center, bringing you into the center of that whirlwind, okay? Into the vortex, into the stillness. Hold that line, take a deep breath. Don't know about you, but I can hear a zing. If you feel like you want to revisit this and do it a few times to really kind of anchor it in, because maybe this is new for you, let's go ahead. That is beautiful. That is the sweet spot. That is the zing. And in that place, keep breathing. Just clear all judgments, all expectations, all the want and the desire and the yearning to receive those messages. Just allow them to come through in their own time. Just allow them to come through in dream time, in a moment of insight, in an aha moment. Maybe you'll have an epiphany. Maybe it'll take a year. No expectations, okay? Gently does it. Gently does it. All right, my loves. I'm feeling the zing. I'm feeling the alignment. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being you. Thank you for connecting into your spirit guidance. If you want to, please share, like, and subscribe so that more people can receive this healing. I'm just going to seal this with the gong. Take another deep breath. Thank you. If you'd like to support me as an artist, please see the links below. My creative works come through with the intention of raising awareness, generating a healing energy transmission to awaken. Thank you, my loves.